Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the next portion of algebraic notation, that is dividing terms. In our earlier 4 to 5 videos, we have seen how to build algebraic expression, how to do its basic operations, and how to, in next video we have seen that how to add and subtract the algebraic expression. And I have also made a separate video for multiplying terms, how to build algebraic expression with different coefficient. So there are plenty of videos based on algebraic expression and algebraic notation. So in this video we will see the dividing terms. If you haven't seen my earlier videos, then please go to my channel Numbers Unlocked, and you can get all the different videos related to algebraic expressions and various other Olympiad problems based on algebraic expression. So go there and watch all the videos. That all of those videos are very effective. So coming back to this video, today we will see how to simplify algebraic expression involving division. In this video, we will study how to simplify the algebraic expression which poses the division sign, and also we will interpret expression with fractional coefficient, those expression which has fractional coefficient. So you can see here that in algebraic expression, if you need to write a divided by 3, then you will write it as a by 3, that is in fraction form. Fine. In algebra, division is represented by writing the terms as a fraction. So we will write the terms in a fraction. Fine. For an example, 15a divided by 5 can be written as 15a by 5. 15a divided by 5 can be written as 15a by 5, that is in fraction form. So now we know that 5 gets cancel out, 15 gets cancel out with 5, that is 5 3s are 15. So our simplified form of 15a divided by 5 is 3a. Fine. So let's solve some of these questions. So here you can see that 14x divided by 2 can be written as 14x by 2, and since 2 into 7 is 14, so answer will be 7x. See, this questions you can solve it in your pen, in your paper, and I will give you the answer key in my next slide. So 15b divided by b, since then you will write it as 15b by b. Now since b and b are like terms, so they get cancelled out, so you will be left with only 15. In question number 3, that is 27xy divided by 3x. Now since x and x are like terms, so they get cancelled out, and 3, how much are 27? 3 9s are 27. So you will be left with 9y. Hope all of you got this answer, and the answer key is here. You can screenshot the above question, and you can screenshot the answer key so that you can later on get to know that if you have done your answer in a right way or not. So now moving on to the harder examples. Now here you need to divide 24xy divided by 18y. So as I told you earlier, this y and this y get cancelled out due to its cause they are like terms. So in variable we are only left with x. Now 24 divided by 18. In division form, we will simplify the number. We will cancel out all the common terms in between these two numbers, that is 24 and 18. Fine. So if you will see that, then you can examine that 18 and 24 both arrives in a table of 6. That is 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So you will be dividing both terms, both numerator and denominator by 6. Now here you need to know that you cannot divide upper number with another and denominator with other number. You need to find out the common numbers which divides both numerator and denominator. So here in this example 24 by 18, you can see that 6 divides both 24 and 18. So we used 6 as our common term, and then we are only left with 4 and 3. So our final answer is 4x by 3. So this is the way in which we can simplify our algebraic expression. Now, as I have explained in all of my other videos regarding coefficient, variable, you can go and see a detailed video made regarding this coefficient, variable, pronumerals, constant. But again in this video I have repeated this term because they are used repeatedly in all of the algebraic expressions. So a coefficient is a number that is multiplied by the variable. Coefficient are those numbers which are multiplied by a variable. In algebra, coefficient are written as fraction rather than decimal, as they are more accurate and easier to manipulate. Now in this example, 4x by 3, x is a variable and 4 by 3 is a constant or coefficient. Fine. 4 by 3 is a coefficient. Coefficient are those number that is multiplied by variable. That is, coefficient is 4 by 3 which is multiplied by a variable x, or coefficient is a 2 by 3 that is multiplied by x. In next video 9 by 5 is coefficient, and in next example 5 by 4 is a coefficient and x is a variable. Fine. So here in algebra, coefficient are written in fractions. See, in all of these 4 examples you can see that all the coefficient are written in a fraction and not in a decimal form. If you will divide 4 divided by 3, then you will get something like 1.33333, but this is not the accurate answer, because decimal can lead to rounding errors. 1.333 can be written as 1.34, but that is also not a accurate answer. So keeping it in fraction form is a better option. Fine. Hope you understood what is coefficient. Now let's practice this question. 15x by 6. See, this is a practice question, so you need to practice it in your copy, and I will give you the answer key in my next slide. So you can screenshot this slide, and again I will give you the answer key, and you can also screenshot that slide so that you can match your answer later on. So I will explain each questions. 15x by 6. So 15x by 6, here if you will see that 15 and 6 they have something in common, that is 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So our answer will be 5x by 2. 5x by 2. In this number 2, 24y by 8x, you can see that this both numbers are present in table of 4. 4 how much are 24? 4 6 are 24, and 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. Now again you got 6 and 2, or you can again, since we have 6 and below 2, so they also get cancelled out. So better you again cancel out it with 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 how much are 24? 8 3s are 24. So that will be 3y by x. So you need to cancel out all the common terms in between numerator and denominator. Now in number 3, you can see that 6 and 40, so they both cancel out with 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 20s are. Now 20 and 3 both cannot cancel out each other, so we will keep it in same way. So that will be 20x by 6, 20x by 3, right? And since y and y are like terms and they are in division, so they both get cancelled out. So answer will be 20x by 3. Fine. In example number 4, again y and y are like terms, so they both get cancelled out. Now here this both get cancelled out with, I hope that both gets cancelled out with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Sorry, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are. So here we have 14, here we have 21. Most probably they get cancelled out. So 14 get cancelled out with 7 and 21 also get cancelled out with 7. So 7 7 7 7 7 2s are, and here 7 3 7 1s are 7, 7 to 14, 7 3s are 21. So that will be 2y 2 by 3y 3x. This you, yes, 2 by 3x. Fine. So this is our answer key. Fine, this is our answer key. You can screenshot this and check them later on. Hope you have screenshot the answer key. Now this is a challenge which you need to follow. So now here you need to find out the height of a triangle where area of a triangle is given as 27xy by 2. So now let's solve this. Now let's solve this question in a whiteboard. So here we are given with A is equal to 27 by 2 xy and area of a triangle is equals to h. Height of a triangle is h and breadth of a triangle is, base of a triangle is 9x. So now let's solve. We know that area is equals to half into base into height. So area is 27 by 2 xy, 27 by 2 xy, that is equals to half into, in place of base we can write it as 9x into height is given as h. Fine. Now if you will, since we require h, so what you can do, we can take all these terms in left hand side. So 27 by 2 into 2, right? Since this is in division form, this get changed into multiply form, yes, and this is in multiply form, this will convert into division form, and into this is in multiply, so x y by this x, that is equals to h, fine. Now this 2 can cancel out, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, this x cancel out, this x cancel out, so we are left with only 3 and here y. So h is equals to 3y. Fine. So the value of h is 3y. So value of h is 3y. Since I have explained it in this way, so half into base into height, that is equals to 27xy by 2. So if you will solve in that way, where the way I have taught you, then you will get h is equals to 3y. Fine. Hope you understood this question. So thanks for listening. Stay tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel and share this video to all of your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.